What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm and help get this channel to that 20,000 subscriber mark. I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright, so today I drove up from San Antonio back up to Austin because Taylor right here pointed it out to me that No Comply was doing another scavenger hunt. So I'm up here on another Saturday. No Comply, they're doing a scavenger hunt for the the orange label, the white and the navy colorway. It's about that time. We got about 10 minutes before they actually announce the location. If you've watched previous videos, you know how it goes. They put out like this cryptic location that you just try to decipher like where it is, and then you go find the shoes, and if you get there first, then you get a ticket. And yeah, that's the way it is.
Let's go.
So we got to the location. It's on 9th and what is it, San Antonio?
Yep.
A little skate spot over here. If I have time, I'll come back to film it, but we'll see. Right now we are going to head off to the shop and claim our pairs. I got a size 8.5. He got an 11. Cool. So yeah. So as you saw, Taylor and I, we were successful in getting our shoes. I got an 8.5, he hit on 11. So they posted up the location a little bit late. They posted it like 15 to 20 minutes later than 2 p.m. when it was supposed to drop, but it's all good. We still managed to find the location, and it's kind of cool. Ubering for like 1.5 years has its perks because you get to like get familiar with the city and you get to know like the local spots and whatnot. So definitely a benefit to us. And right now I'm heading back to San Antonio so I can get this review ready for you. Alright, I'm back in San Antonio. Let's get into it. Just to recap, No Comply Skate Shop, they host a citywide scavenger hunt in which you have to access Instagram for their sneaker drops. Now, I prefer this over like ticketed raffles, online raffles, and raffle buy-ins. It just makes it more fun, and it's an effective way to like weed out resellers that aren't part of the skate community. So if you aren't a local skater or you don't know the local spots, you probably won't be successful in copying. What happens is that they'll post a picture or video of the location on Instagram but won't give the details. You would have to know the location just by looking at the background or the skated features in the video. If you find it, the dude at the location will hand you a golden ticket to purchase said item. Now let's take a look at this box. This is a brown Nike SB box, signifying that it is an orange label release. What's orange label? Well, I'll tell you. Orange Label is your top tier Nike SB stores, and they always get like the most hyped dunk releases or SB product. In Texas, there are actually 14 skate shops that sell Nike SB product, but out of those 14, only 4 of those shops are Orange Label status. So we have 2 in Austin and we have 2 in Houston. You can check the nearest Orange Label shop via the Nike SB website. Orange Label shoes, they're specifically created with the best quality material, like better leather, better fibers. They're employed on these shoes versus what you would normally find on a standard Nike SB model. Once again, the brown box, Nike SB branding with the orange Nike swoosh logo and the sizing label at the front. Opening the box, we have the white and navy SB dunks, and they look hella good. The leather is good and it feels pretty good to the touch. These actually released back on May 1st of 2021. However, as of late, Nike SB has had production issues, leading to shoes like the camcorder dunks, you can check out the review there, to be shipped out late or to even being canceled. The MSRP for the Orange Label white and navy dunk was $100. Add your tax and VAT based on where you reside. I'm kind of laughing right now because looking at StockX, looking at GOAT, looking at the SneakerCon app, these are reselling for like $280, hitting up to even the low $400, which is kind of crazy. This should be a quick review because, well, the upper is pretty much the same material all across the board. You have that great quality leather done in white. Great quality leather for a Nike shoe, that is. The mud guard, the vamp with the perforated holes, the quarter panels on both sides, the ankle strap, the collar, the heel tab, all done in white. And I keep touching the shoe. Seriously, you will not be disappointed in the quality. Giving more pop to the shoe is that navy Nike swoosh. And normally this is done in like a cheap plastic or a cheap vinyl, but this too is done in a quality leather format, and it wraps from the lateral side to the medial side of the shoe and complements the embroidered logo, the Nike logo right here on the back heel tab. 2 sets of laces were what we were given. I already swapped out the default white laces out for the navy joints that you see on the shoe. It was just too much white for me. Now, both sets of laces are of an oval shape and a poly build, featuring orange aglets at the ends of the laces. Behind those sets of laces is a padded white mesh tongue, making the shoe breathable and comfortable. A white woven label sits at the top of the tongue where you have the Nike SB in a light gray color and an orange swoosh. This complements the orange label on the back side of the tongue, which states "Support your local." That's it. Support your local. It's not a complete thought. On the inside, white padded mesh lining is present. Y'all already know I hate this. They could have done this up in a light gray or navy. Shit will show dirt super easily. But if you skate your dunks, does it really matter? The removable insoles present a black fabric with the Nike SB orange label logo at the heel. This is placed on a Zoom Air insole where the gray is a firmer foam, the black is a lesser firm foam, and the heel is a Zoom Air unit, which is like a plastic enclosure with tensile fibers and pressurized air or gas that's employed to combat impact. In summation, it makes the shoe more comfortable. The midsole, it's identified as the white base of the shoe. The outsole is the bottom of the shoe, and it's employing that gum material, which I am partial to. Gum soles, it just reminds me of like indoor soccer days or varsity volleyball days. Yeah, so the midsole and the outsole, they're made of a blown rubber component, which enables flexibility, durability, and structure to the shoe. The traction markings are traditional to the dunks, where you have the circles at the top, the branding smack dab in the middle, and the grid at the bottom. Sizing is true to size. If you've been on this planet for this long and you don't know your shoe size, definitely check out a mall retailer, ask them to try on a Jordan low, a mid, a high that's in stock, figure out your size, and then pull the trigger on the shoe locally or via the resale apps. Comfortability, I like the fit. Zoom Air insoles are legit, but if you're not sold on the stock insoles, you have your own orthotics, or you need more pronation support, something like that, go ahead and just remove them. I use soft sole. I know Sean Go uses Hefe Luxe, which is like Adidas Boost foam in insole form. But go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Overall, this retail dub was worth driving up an hour to Austin for. It's not guaranteed, as you have to be familiar with the local skate spots in Austin. We just happen to have luck on our side. The materials on this shoe, they're great for a Nike shoe, and it's comfortable, and it's an orange label shoe, making it slightly exclusive. It's a good shoe. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about these orange label white and navy SB Dunk lows? Are you going to drive over to the next city just to cop shoes? Do you have an orange label shop in your city? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram at ChrisCatalunya with an underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm and help me get to 20k subs. I appreciate you guys. I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you later. Cheers. Sige na.